Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is called From Puffy Face to Kpop Idol Face. We're going to talk about the secrets behind the sharp, slim, and glowing face shape you often see on K-pop idols. It's not just about makeup or filters, it's about lifestyle, training, and some simple massage techniques you can do at home. In the K-pop industry, facial aesthetics are a huge part of the idol image. Fans admire the small V-line jaw, defined cheekbones, and a youthful, energetic glow. Companies even treat idols not only in singing and dancing but also in how to maintain their face shape through diet and physical training. Of course, some high technologies. Now, before I show you the massage, let's talk about the two most important factors for reducing puffiness and achieving that idol look: diet and muscle training. Diet helps reduce water retention and bloating. Think less salty food, more hydration, and balanced nutrition. Facial and body muscle training keeps your skin tight and your face defined. Just like idols train their body for performance, training your face muscles can shape your jawline and reduce puffiness. And that's it. Remember, massage is a great natural daily habit, but the real transformation comes from combining it with healthy eating and consistent muscle training. If you stay disciplined like K-pop idols, you will notice your face become sharper and more defined over time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and beauty tips. I'll see you in the next video.